Good morning, everyone. In the last lecture, we have to discuss some unit number 4. In this lecture, हमने डिस्कस किया था कि जो डिजास्टर वाली कंडीशंस रहती है उसके दौरान हम कैसे उस चीज़ से अफेक्टेड होते हैं और उन चीज़ों को कैसे हमें मैनेज करना है, कैसे एक दूसरे को हेल्प करनी है, कैसे मुझे उस एटमोसफियर में रहना है, ये चीज़ें मैंने डिस्कस की थी। तो इस लेक्चर में हम देखेंगे changing capacity, changing concept of DM. Different models have been proposed for disaster management by researchers and agencies. Despite their efficiency in some locations, disasters are still a fundamental challenge in the way of sustainable development. The purpose of the research is developing a comprehensive conceptual model for disaster management using thematic analysis. In this regard, first disaster management models are collected. In the next stage, the themes of each model are extracted and categorized in three phases. In the first phase, that is descriptive coding, available elements and in each model and extracted as code and the basic theme are recognized. Then in the phase of interpretative coding, basic themes are classified in three categories that are called organizing themes, that is hazard assessment, risk management and management action. In the final phase, strategic management is selected as the global or overreaching theme to integrate all other themes. Based on thematic analysis, it can be concluded that disaster management has three main elements, that are three organizing elements. Therefore, comprehensive model of disaster management should disaster management should include these three elements and their sub basic themes, that is called the ideal or criterion type. Results show that some scientists have looked at disaster management one dimensionally, one theme. Even in two dimensional model, one dimensional has the advantage over the other one. While the proposed topology in the study showed that the comprehensive models should include all the three mentioned एलिमेंट। तो इसमें आप लोग देख पा रहे होंगे स्ट्रेचिंग, कलेक्टिंग एंड सेलेक्टिंग अप्रोचेस। सबसे पहले सर्चिंग करिए, देन कलेक्टिंग करिए, देन उसके बाद सेलेक्टिंग करिए। इसके बाद आप देखेंगे थीमेटिक एनालिसिस ऑफ एनालिसिस, सर्चिंग इन डेटाबेस यूजिंग डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट कीवर्ड, स्टडीइंग बुक्स एंड आर्टिकल्स एंड एक्सट्रैक्शन and classifying models, analyzing the approaches and designing descriptive tables. Topologies of approaches के बारे में बात करें, descriptive coding and recognizing the basic themes, interpretative coding and recognizing disaster management theme and recognizing the overreaching theme, and designing the thematic network, developing the conceptual model, selecting basic theme as theoretical structure of topology, designing the table of topology, classifying model in topology table and recognize the ideal criterion type. ये था डेवलपिंग द कंसेप्चुअल मॉडल। डेवलपिंग द कंसेप्चुअल मॉडल ऑफ डिजास्टर, सबसे पहले क्या किया, सर्चिंग, कलेक्टिंग एंड सेलेक्टिंग अप्रोच। उसके बाद थीमेटिक एनालिसिस ऑफ अप्रोचेस, टोपोलॉजीज ऑफ अप्रोचेस, डेवलपिंग द कंसेप्चुअल मॉडल। तो ये वन बाई वन हमने स्टेप्स फॉलो किए। इसके बाद हम देखेंगे द फाइव स्टेज मॉडल ऑफ मेट्रोफ एंड पर्सन ने 1993 में दिया था। मेट्रोफ एंड पेयरसन मॉडल, दिस मॉडल एम्फेसाइज द डिटेक्शन एंड लर्निंग फेजेस। इसके बाद गुप्ता स्टेयर मॉडल, गुप्ता 2010, गुप्ता मॉडल, दिस मॉडल does not pay much attention to pre-disaster phase. The Mitrov model, Mitrov 2000 में Mitrov model, this model is proactive model that emphasizing to learning stage. Two-part model of disaster management, Hussain and JD. Two-part model, this model include a series of operational and logistic measures. Show this model is called a two-part model. In icework model, हेनरिस ने दिया था आइसवर्क मॉडल, द मेन फीचर ऑफ this model, its attention to structure and showing शीमिंग टेम्पलेट ऑफ मॉडल, दिस इज़ द डिफरेंट मॉडल जो कि 5 स्टेज मॉडल किसने दिया, मित्रो एंड पर्सन ने दिया। उसके बाद गुप्ता स्टिया मॉडल, गुप्ता 2010, मित्रो मॉडल मिस्टर 2001, two parts model of disaster management Hussein and JD 2006, and iceberg model Heinrich 1941. There are different model. इसके बाद Contreras model, in this model a number of indices have been developed for measuring vulnerability to disaster. The main feature of this model is the attention to the reconstructs after disaster. इसके बाद हम बात करें डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ डिजास्टर मॉडल्स की, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मॉडल्स, मॉडल टाइटल, मॉडलर रेफरेंस, एब्रीवेटेड टाइटल्स, एक्सप्लेनेशंस। तो लॉजिकल मॉडल्स की अगर बात करें, ट्रेडिशनल मॉडल DPLG 2 1998, ट्रेडिशनल मॉडल साइकिल ऑफ डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट, द डिफरेंट डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट फेजेस rather than a sequential manner are run parallel to each other, elevate with varying degree of emphasizing. Expand and contract model DPLG 2 1998, expand and contract model. The difference with the traditional models is also often observed that the sequence of action occurs simultaneously. The four-phase model of disaster management, Kimberley Kimberley model. This model emphasizes emergency management. The most important phase of this model is the response phase. The four-stage model of Tuscaloosa Tuscaloosa 2010, Tuscaloosa model. This model starts and ends with a response stage. इसके बाद circular model Kelly 1998, Kelly model. The main feature of the model is to ability to run from real disaster. And Lechet model, Lechet 1994, 1990, Lechet model. This model starts with anticipation of disaster and end at the rehabilitation stage. These are the some models regarding of different disasters. इंटीग्रेटेड मॉडल्स की बात करें, मोंटी तो मोंटीवा मोंटीवा मॉडल, मैनीटोबा हेल्थ डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट 2002, मैनीटोबा मॉडल्स, एडवांटेज एंड फीचर्स ऑफ दिस मॉडल, स्टेबलाइजिंग अ बैलेंस बिटवीन प्रिपरेशन एंड रेजिलेंस इन ऑर्डर टू रेस्पॉन्ड टू द स्पेसिफिक नीड ऑफ द डिजास्टर। मैकॉन्की लीनियर मॉडल, मैकॉन्की 1987, मैकॉन्की मॉडल पेज special attention to pre-disaster management in four-stage. Wallis Gardner integrated model, Wallis Gardner 2001. The overall objective of this model are assessment of probable damage of the planning of future measure to reduce the damage. Integrated mode of model of mode of model. The result of this model show the importance of proactive and reactive strategy in natural disaster management. McIntyre integrated McIntyre ETL 2010 ETL model. An integrated approach for modeling the vulnerability should consider social cause model, Crunch cause model, Asian Disaster Preparedness Crunch Center, Crunch model. This model is casual model that provide a framework for understanding the cause of the disaster. Its structure formed by the following equation: disaster is equal to hazard into vulnerability, pressure and release PAR model, Fink's comprehensive audit model, Baliga, Mariga and McKinney 2005, Fink 1986. Unlike the crunch model, the using preventive measures try to reduce the disaster risk. Fink comprehensive audit model. This model determines what event could cause a crisis in each functional area. Once scenario are developed, action plans should be prepared. Combinational model, risk management proactive models, Australian development gateway. This model tries to combine logical and integral model, disaster risk management framework, Bayes ETL model. This model has the following three steps: risk reduction, normal. तो इस लेक्चर में मैंने सिंपल से डिफरेंट मॉडल डिस्कस किए जो भी होते हैं। थैंक यू।